Strawberry Kiwi Smoothie is the ideal breakfast for your busy summer morning. This smoothie is a simple combination of frozen strawberries, fresh kiwi and milk. Strawberries and kiwis are the star fruits of summer. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which can boost immunity. Being rich in vitamin C also means it is very useful for your skin and hair. The antioxidants in strawberries are also very good for your eyes. Therefore, in order to maintain good eye health, you should add strawberries to your diet every day. Just like strawberries, kiwi fruit is also rich in vitamin C. Besides, it also helps digestion. You can quickly make this strawberry kiwi smoothie. First, wash the kiwi and strawberries, and then cut them into small pieces. Put the kiwi, strawberry, milk and honey in the blender container. Cover the blender with a lid and stir at high speed until the mixture is smooth. Want to get the strawberry kiwi smoothie recipe? Click the link in the description below.